Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Scovile and Prodigy, and also how to get the new pet Tropical Pomprinkle and Tropical Spindle. These are not it, it's like a variant. Okay, so first I'm going to be showing you how to get Scovile, and this one is pretty simple. So first what you're going to have to do is do 2 battles and 4 battles and 6 battles and then 8 battles. So in a total you have to do 20 battles. So yeah, that is how you get Scovile. We are going to go ahead and catch that because I only have to do 1 more battle to get it. So let's go battle this Muckster, and it should be a pretty easy battle. So we just finished the battle up, and now we are going to be getting Scovile. And I am getting this like 2 hours after it came out, but this video should come out the day after. So there we go, we now have Scovile. And all you have to do to level up Blast Drought by evolving your Scovile to level 25, I'm pretty sure. So now we are going to be looking at how to get this pet, which is Tropical Pomprinkle and Tropical Spindle. So here we are on my hacked account, and as you can see right here, we have Tropical Pomprinkle, and there it is, and then we have Tropical Spindle. So these pets are pretty easy to get. Well, actually, it's not easy to get. You'd have to get ultimate membership, and that's like $100. So yeah, that is how you get Tropical Pomprinkle, and then I don't know what level Tropical Spindle, or what level it would evolve at. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.